Hey there, shoppers. It's Amy, and today we are checking out this from VIOMI. This is the M1. It's an AI-powered water filter, reverse osmosis. It goes underneath your counter, and it's absolutely amazing. It is easy to install. The filters are super, super long-lasting, and they're also very easy to switch out. There is an app-powered control, and it gives you the best pH-balanced alkaline water on the planet. Not only is that healthier for you, it's great for sports and athletics, but it's also even better tasting. I cannot wait to show you this gorgeous touchscreen. It monitors the pH and also the TDS in real time, and you are going to find this absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to do a deep dive with you and tell you all about it. Let's go ahead and get started.
The VIOMI M1 Master Series goes beyond simple purification. It uses a 9-stage filtration system, including a 0.0001 micron RO membrane to remove up to 99% of contaminants, things like lead, chlorine, PFAS, bacteria, and sediments. That means you're getting crystal clear, ultra pure water, safe for you and your family. But what makes this purifier really special is what happens after the purification. It actually remineralizes your water, infusing it with 6 essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium, strontium, and even metasilicic acid. So you get that smooth, refreshing, and slightly sweet taste that feels just like natural spring water, only cleaner. It's perfect for drinking, for cooking, for cleaning produce, and even for your hydration during workouts. Plus, it's just slightly alkaline, which can support daily wellness and hydration. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite parts, the smart touchscreen faucet. This is your control center. You can actually see real-time water quality with TDS readings and dispense exact amounts of water with preset options like 10, 20, or even 700 ounces, all with a single touch. And the smart features do not stop here. With the VIOMI app, you can monitor your water quality, check filter life, track usage, and even get reminders when it's time for maintenance. No more guessing or expensive plumber visits. Everything is handled smartly and easily. Plus, with the multi-device mode, you can connect the Master M1 to your fridge, ice maker, or water dispenser for better tasting ice, less limescale buildup, and longer appliance lifespan. An integrated AI chip constantly analyzes data from multiple sensors, monitoring the temperature, pressure, and flow to ensure that your water system is always performing at its best. So if you want pure, refreshing, and mineral-enhanced, perfectly alkaline water that tastes amazing and keeps your family healthy, the Master M1 water purifier from VIOMI is an absolute game changer. It's water, just a little bit smarter.
Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me and learning even more about this incredible water filtration system. It's made my cooking, my day-to-day water consumption, and everything in between just a little bit better. It's sleek, it's modern, it looks great, and it just works. And I can't believe how hassle-free it was to install and to use on a day-to-day basis. My water tastes better, and I feel like it's healthier than ever as well. That is fantastic. I love this product. I know that you guys are going to love it as well. I'm going to go ahead and leave all of the links and information in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out and get to shopping. Adios, amigos. Cheers.